for him or any other one calling for interim administration, we are calling on the General Police to arrest all of them because nobody is above the law. You cannot plunge Nigeria to war and you say you want to rule that country. We, Labour Party, we are saying capital no to such evil call by Peter Obi that Ajwabola Ahmed Tinubu should not be sworn in. I don't know, the reason for him, but as far as I am concerned, we came third in that election behind the PDP. But today in the election petition tribunal, we are not challenging PDP that came second. And that means we are saying that the vote allocated to PDP is correct in the eyes of the law. But the PDP that Obi is defending is now challenging the validity of the election that brought Ajwabola Bola Tinubu into power, as a president-elect. PDP is saying, I score the lawful majority vote. Labour Party is saying, no, the vote you have, we are not even challenging because it's in accordance with what we believe in. So that was why he excluded, deliberately with Abure, excluded the People Democratic Party. After their shenanigans with them, he was now challenging the result of APC. So how on earth will he not cover his eyes in shame for excluding PDP? Why must you not challenge the second person? You are challenging the first. So what is he trying to do? He's trying to play a run-up between PDP and APC. As far as we are concerned, Obi is not doing anything in that election petition. He's only trying to, play on people's intelligence. But most of what I met in this politics, we are wiser. So for him to call like just we have said, anyone henceforth calling for establishment of interim administration, treating fire and peace in Nigeria, threatening the peace of Nigeria, conducting themselves, in a manner that is likely to contribute to peace, they should be arrested. They are not members of the Labour Party. These are the people I call obedient. So if Obi fall into that category, if Abure, the Sovereign National Chairman, falls into that category, that remains their name. But as we are concerned, every obedient, which I believe Obi must have learned his lesson, he must never be seen calling for an interim administration. Supposing he's the one that won, how will he feel if Ajwabola Ahmed Tinubu and Atiku are calling for interim administration? If they say no, follow the due process. He must just not be appropriating and reprobating. He is in the tribunal with Labour Party. Fine. Let us pursue our case. Once we believe there is only a legislative tribunal that can give for justice, we have tabled some far before them.